This is a tutorial for parents to access student report cards, provide an e-signature, and see the report card on Skyward. You may have received an email with a link that takes you to the school website for sign-in. Make sure that it is the Union Ridge School Skyward website. You will need to put in your login ID and your password. If you cannot remember either of those and you click on Forgot Your Login ID Password, it will send a new link to the email address that you have shared with the office. Also make sure that at the bottom there is a login area and you select the Family Student Access. Once you've put in your login ID and your password, you will click Sign In. This will bring you to Family Access, and it may say there are no messages found, but there is a plus button along the left that provides a drop menu. And in that drop menu, you'll go to Report Cards. In Report Cards, there is some information above, but then says a listing of all the history of report cards, and you're looking for the term that you are currently looking up. So in this case, the 2021-22 first trimester report card. Click on that, and a window pops up requiring an electronic signature. There are three places that you need to put in information. First, that you agree to the terms. Second, that you write your name. And the third, that the date is signed. These two may autofill for you. Once you have provided those three pieces of information, the Submit Signature button becomes highlighted in blue. Click that. It may take a while to generate this report. Once it has finished processing, you can click View Report, and then it will give you a view of the report card. In this case, the first page out of one, and here you will find the different subjects the student is in, the teachers of those subjects, and the grades. You'll also see attendance reported at the bottom.